change the battery in my key fob for my Indian Challenger. Take the key out. The battery's in here. So you take your key or something that you can get in there, probably more of a screwdriver, but then you pop that top off. Then your CR2032 battery is right in there. New one back in. Put the cover back on, and put your key back in, and that is it. Why I did that is because every once in a while, when I turn on the bike, I'd have that little shield with the key on it stay on, and I'd have to turn my bike off and back on, and I'm just going to check to see if changing the battery fixes it. So anyway. I will talk at you later. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, and do all that good stuff. Thanks. Bye.